Hey guys, I just want to show you how to get signed into Khan Academy and add your classes. So the first thing you need to do is probably click on the Go to Khan Academy. For me, I am going to open up an incognito because I'm already signed into an email. But you would just click on it usually. Once I do that, I am going to click Start Learning Now. It's going to ask you to sign up. I would suggest you sign up with your email that you have for school. If you're using Chromebooks, it should just automatically log you in if you click on here. For right now, I am having to sign me in. And then you can click Allow. And so if I'm going to go back and do this later on down the road, just use your same email that you just used. Okay. After doing that, you're going to click on Coaches. And then you're going to add a coach here. And you're going to have to get a code. And so when you go back to the website, you can click on 7th grade math, 8th grade math, or if there's another class that is listed there, click on that. On there, you're going to find that code. You can copy and paste this. Okay. And then I'm going to go back into sorry about this, too many things open right here. Then I'm going to paste that code and join that class. And once I do that, your coaches will show up right here. And so now that you're enrolled in that class, you have lots of things going on. And so I'm going to show you just a little bit. This is the student view. And so when I get notifications up here, it might show that I've been enrolled in class, that maybe there's a challenge waiting for me. There might be some different things that I need to do in order to complete that class. Okay, so I'm going to click on home right now. Then taking me back to my home screen. These are missions that my coach or my teacher has provided me. And so I would have to click on these and progress through those. And that's kind of what my content is. Sometimes you might get a monthly thing right here or a subscription thing, just close out on it. And then I can just start practicing. I can see my progress as I go through all the skills. And so the first thing I would want to do is just click practice. It'll open up a screen. It may ask you for some warm-up activities. I'll give you 5 questions that you need to do, and then you can kind of progress through that as well. And so here's a multiplication of fractions, and I can click, I need a hint. It'll give me some of those hints right there, and then I can actually watch a video if I need another clue, and then I can answer those questions. So you can progress through those. It'll show your progression as you do it each and every day. It'll remember what you did the previous day, and you can kind of show your teachers how far you've gone through that. And so it has different modules for you, and you can kind of see your progression through each of those modules. Okay. You get badges along the way as well. So if I reach a module or do really well, I might receive a badge, and you can kind of go and see all your badges on your home screen. So if I go back to Khan Academy, I can always go back to my original home screen, and that's always going to bring me back to my missions. You can also see all your badges right here. So you can kind of show your teacher maybe what badges you've earned by completing different missions, and you can go back and see your progress like we just stated. You can kind of see how well you did on negative numbers. It kind of breaks it down on what you're doing well with and maybe things that you need to practice a little bit more. For right now, I think that's it. As long as you can get logged in, first of all, and you can add a coach, you should be able to have activities to do each and every day once you add those coaches. Okay. If you complete all of those, please contact your teacher and we'll add more stuff in your missions.